So today we're making tomato pasta potato. Very good, very delicious. So now we put the tomatoes and the garlic in the pan. Very nice. Some oil, vinegar, salt. Very good. So we're finishing frying the potatoes, and I'm going to add the next ingredient. Pasta e patate. Pasta and potato. Oh, we add the pasta. This time I'm using fusilli. Oh, nice. So let's see how it's. So let's taste. The taste is very good, but the consistency it's not. It's like it's kind of a soup. My mistake. Okay, cheers. This didn't work all right. The taste is great. It's very nutritious. It's fresh, but the texture of the pasta is no good. No good. Let's fix it with some oatmeal. Let's put some oats first. Oats. Very good. Now we let it sit for a little bit. Eggs and parsley. No good. Let's fix it with some oatmeal. Let's put some oats first. Oats. Very good. Now we let it sit for a little bit. Eggs. And parsley. There's a lot of humidity, so the fire is not working that great. So this is some sort of soufflé, campfire style, okay? The fire is no good, so it's okay. I'm going to eat it anyway. Let's see how it comes. It is very good, yeah. It is very good. It's very good. So I did a good job at the end of the day. The looks, not okay, okay. Good. Very good. Very good. The problem is it looks, but now it's better than last night because now it has eggs. It's more like a polenta kind of food, so it's okay now. Okay, cheers. Keep.
Everybody shake it, baby.